In the sunny flower meadow lived a little gray rabbit named Long-Eared. One afternoon, while he was nibbling on a juicy clover, he heard a soft voice. "Pippy, Pippy." Long-Eared pricked up his ears. The sound came from a wild rose bush. There, curled up under a large leaf, sat a small yellow bird. Its wings were trembling, and there were tears in its eyes. "The wind blew hard, and I fell out of the nest," the bird chirped. "My name is Pippy, and I don't know how to get home." "Don't worry, Pippy. I have fast legs and big ears that can hear all the forest secrets. We'll find your mom." They set off on an adventure. Pippy hopped after Long-Eared, and he stopped every now and then to listen. First, they came to an old beech tree, but squirrels lived there. Then they passed a stream, but there were only frogs there. Suddenly, Long-Eared stopped. "Do you hear that?" His ears swiveled. "That's my mom," Pippy exclaimed happily. But there was one problem. The branch was too high, and Pippy didn't know how to fly very well. Long-Eared had a brilliant idea. "Climb on my head, then on the top of my ears," Pippy climbed. That evening, the whole forest smelled of happiness. Pippy sang the most beautiful song.